I'm reupholstering a boat and decided to try an experiment. There's a lot of reference online to shrinking the marine vinyl to get rid of wrinkles. Heating the vinyl definitely seems to work, but is it actually shrinking? Let's find out what's happening to the vinyl when it's heated. I'll draw a grid on this scrap piece so we can see what actually moves when you heat this stuff. The images you just saw with the steamer were from a Sailright video. If you're looking for help with upholstery, they've got an awesome video collection. I'll put a link to their channel below. I'm using a heat gun because I don't have a steamer. These work fine, you just have to be careful not to melt it. I wouldn't use anything with a flame though. Vinyl puts out some nasty carcinogens when it's on fire, so be careful not to burn it. Even when you really want to. Yeah, it's starting to feel pretty hot. I don't see any curved lines. Doesn't look like it did much. Yep, no change at all. Alright, we'll try one more spot to make sure we got it hot enough. Okay, that's still 190 degrees Fahrenheit with the heat off, a little less than 90 Celsius. And we have melted this vinyl. We'll let it cool off a bit. Still no change. So now we know that applying heat doesn't shrink vinyl. Let's find out how it gets rid of wrinkles. We'll attach the vinyl to a board to create wrinkles, heat it all up, and let our grid show us what's really happening. There you go. It just allows the vinyl to expand where it has tension. Instead of tightening your loose bits, you're loosening your tight bits. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to like the video if you do, and subscribe if you'd like to watch me entertain myself building random things. Thanks for watching.